Okay, I said I'd just go through part B and just set you or outline a little solution and send over your way, just as you prepare for part C, section C of the SAT tomorrow. So this is the equation we're given, the cooling curve. It's called. So as time changes, this is our temperature here, the temperature of the room, and B is something we need to find out. So we can look to the information. It says this system also reduces the initial temperature to 30 degrees in 10 minutes. The initial temperature to 30 degrees. We don't know what the initial temperature is, and we have to find that out. So when T equals 0, we're not sure what CT is. We're going to have to put a question mark up there. So let's go put it in. So C0 when T equals 0, 18 times B. When T equals 0, this power is 0. So that's going to make it easy for us because B to the naught is 1. 18 times 1 is 18 plus 28 is 46. So therefore, initial temp is equal to 46. That's somewhat warm. The system also reduces the initial temperature to 30 degrees Celsius in 10 minutes. So we know that C10 is equal to 30. So we can put that in, and we can say that 30, therefore 30 equals 18 times B that we don't know, T that we do know, that's 10, so put 10 in there, minus 0.40 becomes minus 4 plus 28. So we do a little bit of work around this, which is what the sort of stuff you're going to be asked to do tomorrow. Subtract the 28, you get 2 is equal to 18b to the minus 4, and then divide 2 by 18. It's 2/18, or 1/9. It's equal to b to the minus 4. 1/9 is 3 to the minus 2, isn't it? So 3 to the minus 2 is equal to b to the minus 4, or another way of writing that is actually b to the minus 4 equals 1 over b to the 4. So therefore 1 over 9 equals 1 over b to the power of 4. We can drop the 1 overs. So therefore b to the 4 is equal to 9. I'm just trying to work out how to get this without going to the calculator. So what we can do is we can take b to the 4 to the power of a quarter, and we can do the same to this side, because b, multiply these powers together. 4 by a quarter is 1, so I just get b on the left hand side. So you can do that. You can say, oh, I want to take, it's like taking the 4th root of both sides, or if you've got b squared, you take the square root of it. It's like saying raising it to the power of a half. So I can raise both sides to the power of, so I can raise this to the power of 1/4, because that's what I want to do. I want to get b from b to the power of 4. But remember, what you do to one side, do to the other. So raising this to the b to the 4 to the quarter, got to do the same with the 9. Now the 9 is 3 squared to the quarter, so I can write this as 3 to the power of 2 times a quarter is a half. So therefore b is equal to 3 to the half, or the square root of 3. And it did ask us, does it ask for the exact value for b, so I had to persist through that little process. But just those little workings. There were no logs involved in that particular solution, nor in fact in part A. But we could have used logs to solve in part A, and that's the sort of thing you're going to be asked to do in section C. So I'll just post this for your attention, and good luck with your preparations tonight. I'd say go back to those extended response questions on page 442, 443, 444. Those questions that I set you from those pages in an email last week. I'd go to that. Make sure you know how to do those questions. That should give you the sort of preparation you need. Okay, see you later.